Okay guys, so we are going to
Mall. Amazonia Mall.
yeah, we're going to the Amazonian Mall right now. On our way there.
So right here in putting your hand on the steering wheel. So
Okay. You tell Sarah how to drive now.
a 6 and a 3 is what?
You tell me.
6.
6 and a 3 and a 6.
Sit down, sit down.
64.
63. Now we do be 64.
3.
If it's like 6 and a 3 is 60.
Hey guys, so you can see it's a rainy, dark, cloudy day. And we are here at the Amazonia Mall. We're gonna go in there and check out, see what's happening. You can see it's packed in here. There's a line going into park.
Put some chicken in your fryer. And sit on it. With my chicken. With my board.
Like that? There's a park?
We're here. I don't think these are parking here. People are just parked there illegally. Yes guys, Amazonia Mall.
Hey, sana kayo pa mag-oil it. Going to them. You do it, man. You do it. You say something to that.
light shop here. Subway, there's a Subway place. Yeah, guys, so that was a little walk through the Amazonia Mall. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, comment, subscribe, share the video. And as always, thanks for watching. Yeah guys, so I forgot to tell you all that I went to activate a plan at Digicel and they gave me a gift. Check out the gift. Christmas gift. Check it out here. A pack of Twizzlers. That's very thoughtful of Digicel.